Goo! It's just snow. What up, guys? Mac Daddy Mac Cripples. You, what up? My name is Mickey Mac Mikey. Who you? Hey, how you doing? Alright, my camera's a little fuzzy, so don't mind it. That's mine. I put super glue on the lenses. Let's see if I can fix it for y'all. Guess not. Okay, if I look good in here, let me see if I look good. Oh man, I look ugly. Help a brother out with some freaking new camera. This is the Galaxy 10e. It was nice, but I cracked the lens with an honor box on it, so my life sucks, just always. Alright, so I'm working on a, what is this called? A Mazda 2.3. I guess it's a sport. It's a sport. No, it's not a sport, it's just a base model. Okay, so I fixed a couple of shit. I kept blinking to check engine light. And here that means misfire. It was cylinder 1. I thought it was timing because I just did a crank sensor. Swapped out the crank sensor, I'll say that. In another video I showed you that, guys. I showed you that it looks like this. This crank sensor. 2 bolts. Right next, right behind the passenger wheel. So there's 2 bolts. You don't have to adjust it. You just bolt it down. Plug it in. 2 pin, I believe. Okay, like 3 pins inside. Did that, it kept coming up cylinder 1. Me knowing cars usually means you messed up. It's the timing. So then I looked it up. It's the timing chain. That's good. Gave me a little more faith that it could be something else. So we looked it up, and it is a chain. So what happens is you gotta fix it, and then I swapped cylinder 1 coil with cylinder 2 coil, which is all the way, if you're looking at the car like this, all the way to the passenger side, over here. Cylinder 1, I switched that one with number 2, and then it came up in the computer, still flashing, when you beat on it, cylinder 2, not 1 now. So now I knew it was just a coil pack. Got one out of our smashed up Mazda. This one's stick shift. Anybody likes it, wants it, come get it, brother. Look at our Mazda. Here's Mazda. Jesus Christ. Yeah, somebody drove by, hit it in the parking lot here, over here, next to the Knicks, and I smashed it all up. So we got this pretty little thing to fix it. And we fixed it. We put the coil pack in there for number 2 now. Drove it, and it was good. The thing I want to tell you guys with it is I never seen one flashing that would go right out when you're done. Like, I didn't have enough chance to scan it. You have to be driving it, missing, like beating on it, missing to scan it. Long story short, you drive with the scanner to figure it out. Once you figure it out, you know it's just a coil pack or the booty. But it was so faint that it'll go right out after you're done beating on it. So, hope that helps somebody. If your check engine light just flashes and then goes out, like after you're done driving it and you can't even scan it, or you can't get auto to scan it or something, please do yourself a favor, tell them what's going on the block, and then you'll know there's a misfire. Probably a light misfire, so it could be just like a fuel filter or something stupid like that. Most likely, look at that pretty thing now. Most likely it's this. It could be the boot. It could be this boot right here. The boot or the coil. Boot or the coil. Look at this guy. He'll be talking to himself all the time here. Watch, we'll try to get him. See him? He won't mind like, yo. Hey! He's always yelling. My buddy. Say, my man. I think it's a boot. Yeah, it's a coil. 3 pin as well. Number 2 coil. It's the second one from timing belt. That's how you know cylinder 1. It's always from timing belt to the right. Like you're reading. Yeah, I mean from timing chain to the right. So yeah, if anybody needs help with that, I hope I help you. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm different from the rest. I want all that hate mail. I want to know what I'm doing wrong, guys. Hit me back, bro. Love. Always. Criminal Minds. Nah, I like that YouTube channel. I just like the name actually. But yeah, Criminal Minds. Alright, so my name is Mike Macropolis. That's how you pronounce it. Macropolis. Macropolis. Here, guys. So, it's fixed. It's for sale. It's a Mazda 3. Stick shift on. Dang, I hate working with one hand. I suck. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Later.